Hello everyone and welcome to this last part to finish our doll Amber. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description of this video you can find the links. And if you are ready, let's continue making the shoes. We will make two equal shoes and I'm already made one. We will make the second one together. We will start using the tobacco color yarn, starting on round 1 with the slip knot and then 4 chains. When you already have 4 chains, we will start in the second one, repeating 2 times 2 single crochet and 1 triple increase. 1 single crochet, 2 and now 1 triple increase. I recommend that you put some mark on the chain number 4 because here we will make the second triple increase. Then 1 single crochet, 2 and 3 in the same base. Now we will repeat the same one more time on this side, on the another side. 1 single crochet in the next chain, the second one, and in the chain that I recommend that you put some mark here, the second triple increase. 1, 2 and 3, and we already finished this round with 10 points, and please put some mark, we will work in a spiral. On round 2 we will repeat 2 times 2 single crochet and 3 increase. 1, 2 and now 3 increase, 1 increase, 2 and 3, and we will repeat the same one more time. We will finish this round with 16 points. On round 3 we will repeat 2 times 2 single crochet and 6 increase, 1 single crochet, the second one, and now 6 increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We will repeat one more time 2 single crochet and 6 increase. We will finish this round with 28 points. In round 4 we will make 28 single crochet, but this time taking the back loops only the back loop. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet taking the back loops only until finish this round. From round 5 to 8 we will make 28 single crochet taking normally. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating the same until round 8. On round 9 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, now 6 decrease, 1 decrease, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and for the end 14 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and we already finished this round with 22 points. From round 10 to 13 we will make 22 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating the same until round 13. In the last single crochet on round 13 we will change to strong olive color yarn. Finish this single crochet with a new color yarn. On round 14, 22 single crochet, and at the same time you can hide these threads. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 15 and the last round we will repeat 1 chain and 1 slip stitch in the next point. That's it. 1 chain and 1 slip stitch. 1 chain and 1 slip stitch 22 times in total. When you finish the last repetition, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for close and hide it. Pay close attention and you can see how I do that using a wool needle, and also you can see how I put another detail using pumpkin colored yarn. Now the shoes are ready to put on our Amber, but first you need to make this. I will show you now, because this shoes is exactly the same size like the feet, only for that reason. It's not easy that some child playing and take off and put it. It's not easy, but um, it's possible. Then you only need to make this the first time. Don't worry, it's okay. It's very strong, this piece. Then it's ready to put it on the feet, and you can see it's not easy, but it's possible. And now Amber is ready. I really love this doll. I hope you do. And if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next Amigurumi, bye bye.